Alrighty guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make $298 per day with a Clickbank product. And I'm going to get you started on that here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. And as I said earlier, I'm going to show you how you can make $298 per day with one Clickbank product. Now this can be done with any Clickbank product of your choice, but with the particular one I'm going to show you today, you can make $298 per sale. Alrighty? Okay, so first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com. And what we do here, if you're new to my videos, we do how-to videos, anything to do with making money online videos to bring financial and time freedom into your life. And also we do how-to videos as well, and affiliate marketing videos, and once in a while a motivational video I put up as well. Okay? Alrighty, so again, also what you're going to want to do is stick around for this whole video, because I've got a bonus for you coming at the end of this video on how you can automate this whole process as well. So you're going to want to stick around to see that. Okay? Alrighty, well, with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started right in on this video here today. So again, we're going to come back over here to our favorite Opera browser. And what we're going to do, of course, we're going to come to Clickbank. Of course, got to get our product first. Now, if you don't have a Clickbank account, as I've said before, it's just easy enough to create one. Just come to clickbank.com, click on create an account, and it's easy enough to sign up for one, and then pick a nickname that you're going to use for your affiliate links. Okay? Alright, so you can see once you get signed into your Clickbank account, you're going to come over to where it says Marketplace. Right up at the top, you'll see it up here at the top. And now you can see what I've done here. And for this example, like I said, this can be done, well, it can be done anywhere in the world here with this too. Doesn't matter where you're at. And it can be done with any product on Clickbank that you want to do this with. But for today's product, we're going to choose the health and fitness niche. As you see right here in the column on the left, I clicked on that. And there's several categories down through here. And then what I did was I came up to the top here though, and I clicked on typed in here in their search engine, weight loss recipes. Alright, and then just click search, and it brought this up right here. This product right here, the fat burning soup recipes for weight loss. Now you're going to be marketing primarily to women in this particular niche here. If you're in the weight loss niche, you're mainly dealing with women mostly. More women than men, although there's some men involved in this too. But if you notice right here, here's where you can, with this product right here, you can make $298 on this product when you sell one. And it can be done, I believe you can get at least one sale a day with this particular method that I'm going to show you here. Remember, stick around, because I've got a bonus coming towards the end of this and how you can sort of automate this whole process for you. Alright, so what we're going to do is, of course, we'll click on the product link here, and here's the sales page right here, as you can see. Basically dealing with women here, women's weight loss for the most part. And it's a pretty good sales page, looks nice, written well, lots of nice recipe pictures and things on it. So it looks like a pretty good site as well. And it looks like you can even, anybody that buys this product can even get a couple of bonuses here with books, ebook bonuses here too. So it's a pretty good product. Alright, so what you're going to do is we're going to click on promote, of course. First thing we'll do is get our affiliate link, right? And you want to make sure that your account nickname is in the box up there. If you want, you can tag it as well. It's up to you. You can put tags on there. And then click generate the hop link, and it gives you the standard long ugly Clickbank link here, right? So what you want to do is copy it, right? And then we're going to bring it over to bit.ly.com. You guys have seen me take you here before, bit.ly.com, and we're going to put that ugly Clickbank link in there, and just simply click on shorten here and get us something that looks a whole lot 100% better here. Okay? Alright. So anyways, we've got our link right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to test it. You know, like I always say, when you get a link from Bitly, you want to test that thing. So just to make sure that it takes takes your customer or your prospect where you want them to go. So we're going to go ahead and put it up here in the address bar of the browser and click go, and as you see, sure enough, it brings them over here to the page with our affiliate link embedded within that Clickbank link under Bitly. Okay? Alright, so we know it works. Now, what you're going to do, so we've got our product, and now here's how we're going to market this. What you're going to do is you're going to come to Google.com search engine, and if you notice up here at the top, I typed in, now I've gone ahead and done this sort of already just to kind of shorten this video up a little bit. I know a lot of times I get long-winded with you guys and stuff, so I always try my best to keep the video sort of short for you. Alright, so anyways, you see up here I typed in how to lose weight plus blog. Put that into the search engine there, plus blog. So what we're looking for is blogs that have to do with weight loss. High traffic blogs, okay? And then I pressed enter or search, and it comes up with this list right here. Now there's several of these that you can click on here. Now what I did was I came down and I clicked on this one right here that said top 100 weight loss blogs and websites to follow in 2019. Which, by the way, don't worry, this all can be done for clear into 2020 as well. So just don't worry, this thing's going to work all the time. All right. Alright, so I clicked on this link right here, and it brought me over here to this page right here. As you can see, it's right here, top 100 weight loss. And the number one weight loss blog right now is this Run, Eat, and Repeat. And what I did was, if you'll look right here, it shows view the latest posts. And I clicked on that, and it loaded them up down here. So I took this top post, and that's the thing about this too. When you're going to these blog posts, you want to pick one that's recent. In other words, because the more recent ones, of course, are going to have the more traffic currently coming to them, right? Now, these blogs are all top blogs in the world for this type of weight loss and thing like this. But you can do this and look for these blogs in any other niche too, for any other Clickbank product that you want to use for this, okay? This is just what I'm using as an example here today. Alright, so get your blogs that have lots of high traffic to it, like these pretty popular blogs here, and go to their most not popular, but their most recent post. And this one was posted on December the 21st of this year here. So I clicked on this easy peppermint bark yogurt dip recipe, and it brought me over to here. As you can see, it's right here listed at the top. Now, what you want to do here, when you get to these blogs, I'm going to tell you a recommended way to do this, because if you do it any different, there's a chances that this is not going to work for you. So let me explain this to you. Alright, so you'll get a good article, a recent article, you see the date there, and you want to read the post. Become familiar with what's written in the post. If you can speed read or you can skim over it and catch some good things about the article, then that's good. Because the reason why that you want to read the post first is because you're going to come all the way to the bottom of the article. Scroll down and you're going to see this right here. Most blogs have a way to leave a reply or a comment on their blog post, right? Now, what you want to do here is you're going to leave your comment here, and you're going to post your bit.ly link right here into the comment with your link. But you don't want to just post your link in here, because look down here, this site uses Aximet to reduce spam. If you just post your link in there without posting a thoughtful comment, it's just about 100% guaranteed that that link is going to be removed. Okay, you want your link to stay on that site. right? So I would think that as long as you've read the article and you put a thoughtful comment down here, and then at the bottom of the comment, a thoughtful comment about the author's post, and you leave a little link saying, because it's related to our product, right? It's all about losing weight with recipes and food. And you're going to do the same with whatever niche you're in. You're going to leave a thoughtful comment about the post, and then at the bottom you're going to say something like, I've had good results with losing weight with this particular product here. And it's all about recipes or fat burning soup recipes. I've had good results with that, with soup recipes. And if you'd like, you can see my recipes that I used right here, and then post your link at the bottom of your thoughtful comment about the author's post, right? Remember, don't just put anything in there, because your link is going to get removed if it does. You want your link to stay on the site. Most blog owners are okay with people posting thoughtful comments about their articles and then leaving their links or affiliate link or link to their website or whatever link you want to leave. And they're okay with that. They'll leave it posted on their website. And that's what you want. You want it to stay posted on that article, because that article is getting a lot of traffic. And people are going to scroll down and look to see if anybody else has commented, and they're going to see your comment, and they're going to see your link in there with a nice little lead before it about you had luck losing weight, for example, with this particular recipe, soup recipes. And then they'll click your link, and then they'll be brought over to the product website here. And then when they read that, chances are that they're going to probably buy these recipes. And what this is this particular product is $298 because it's a membership product. But if you look down here too, you see that it has a rebill. See, the average rebill total here is the same. In other words, it's a membership product. So if you want to do this type of marketing, you're going to make sure you choose a product on Clickbank that has recurring billing, so that they get charged like a membership fee every month. So every month that they pay their membership fee, that's recurring passive income for you. Okay? So that's how you do that. Then you just come back and go to the next blog down, the next most popular blog down, or whatever when you searched it out on Google, right? And then you do the same thing. View the latest post, look for the latest post on that blog, go to the latest post, and this one here looks like it was posted. Doesn't have the date right here anyway, but nevertheless, this site here gets lots of traffic, and it's the same thing on the post. You're going to scroll to the bottom after you read about it, read the post, so that you can leave a good, thoughtful comment with your link. Okay? You scroll down to the bottom, you see other people's left comments here on this article here already. The latest looks like about December the 19th, 22nd. Here's one today. This person left this comment today, and look, they posted their link to that lose weight with Lipotox. That's a Clickbank product right there, guys. Somebody else is doing what I'm teaching you right here now. You can do that same thing. Come down, leave your thoughtful reply here. You notice this person left a thoughtful comment, and so on and so forth. And you're going to do the same thing here. You're going to leave a thoughtful comment on the article with your link down there, and something leading into your link to get them to click on it and come over to the product and purchase your product. And that's how you can make $298 in one day that way. Now that's just with this product. You can use any Clickbank product you want to do this with. Just make sure you type that particular blog in on Google when you go to Google, and do a search for whatever. If it's maybe it's affiliate marketing or whatever, or some sort of money making blog, or even in the spirituality. It could be something to do with law of attraction or something like that. But make sure you put plus blog after it in the Google so you get the blogs to do with it, right? Now, okay, now with all that out of the way, I'm going to show you how to automate this process. Is the last step here. This is the bonus in this video. What you're going to do to automate this so that you can get notified of when the latest posts come out, because the sooner you get your post or your comment on the latest blog post on those high traffic blog sites, then the quicker you're going to get traffic to your product link, your affiliate link with Clickbank, right? So come over to google.com/alerts. You see it right there. This is a free service from Google. Okay, what you're going to do is going to, sort of like I'm going to show you right here, I'm going to use again the weight loss net. So what I'm going to do is type in here weight loss. Okay, and then I'm going to create an alert here, but what I'm going to do first is click on show the options here. Now I'm telling Google that I want alerts that have to do with weight loss, and we're going to have it set here to do it at least once a week, because we don't want to get spammed with all kinds of things, because you're going to get a lot, even just once a week. So choose at most once a week. Our sources is going to be blogs. You can choose whatever source you want right here, but make sure you check on blogs, right? And then you choose your language. Here again, this can be done pretty much all over the world here. So choose your language that you want this in. Of course, mine is English. And then your region, you can choose any region you want in the world. Okay? Of course, mine is United States, and that's what I chose there. And how many? Only the best results. You can choose all results or only the best. You want to choose and leave it at only the best results. Okay? Now, and then put you a good email address in here, because you don't want your personal email, because you're going to get a lot of alerts from Google. They're basically, you're going to get a lot of these, almost like spam. You get them once a week. Now, how many weight loss blogs in the world, right, that are being updated at least once a week? Could be a lot. So make sure that you use a good email that you use for your junk, that you catch junk with, and use that email for that. You put that in there, and then all you have to do is click on create alert, and then just sit back, and once a week you will get articles that come in automatically into your email, brand new written articles on popular blogs in your niche that you chose with Clickbank, right? And you can go right to those blogs immediately, those brand new articles that are getting massive amounts of traffic immediately, and read the article and post your comment in there with your bit.ly link, and you can make lots of money this way. Alrighty, guys, well, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Make sure you give me a thumbs up down there if you got some value out of this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos. Alright, and guys, don't forget to leave a comment down there in the comment section if you have any questions about this video or anything. And also, if you want to make even higher ticket money, like I always say, you want to click that link up there you see at the top of your video where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and check out the business at the end of my funnel, and see for $7 you can get involved in this, and in 15 days or less you can have your own business up and running, and affiliate marketing with the opportunity to make up to $4,000 in one day, from $300 to $4,000. Alrighty, guys, well, I'm going to leave you guys with that. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you here again in a couple of days on the next exciting video. Alright, you guys take care. Bye bye now.